Black Friday, yes, I've been hearing about Black Friday.
Well, I just think it's the day where you get a price slash for every item you want to get.
You can buy maybe a wristwatch, you get it at a cheaper price. Those things we need: shoes, clothes, trousers, t-shirts, you get it at a cheaper price.
I think it's because of the slash of prices.
I have no idea, even the faintest one.
The only reason why I think they call it Black Friday is because of the prices of goods that comes down to a very low level. So that's the reason I think they call it Black Friday.
It's a period whereby most shops or online slash most of their prices down for customers to make good purchase and also empty up their warehouses for next year's production to commence in this.
Not really made up my mind, but I think I will be getting some kitchenwares and parlor kits.
A bag of rice because that's really very expensive now.
This Friday, if I can see kind of wristwatch that I need, cap, I use Jiji, I would like to buy.
Looking forward to buy a handheld scanner, also some good home appliances like good washing machines and the likes.
I have a plan of buying a TV set.
I want to pick up an iPhone.
For a Black Friday, I'm looking out for 50% discounts.
Well, I actually don't have, I don't know for now, but depends, all depends.
Say get 90, 80, 75 would do.
On discounts, as a Nigerian man, I would like to have a discount, maybe 10% discount.
I would like to shop with Jiji because I've been going through other online stores.
I've been making a whole lot of choice on that. Probably I will try Jiji first.
I hope to go with the one with the very good prices.
Any good online mall, any good one with the best deal, I'm going to shop.